Welcome back. Today, the 2025 Develon DD 150 Bulldozer. This incredible machine is designed to redefine what's possible on the toughest job sites. From its rugged build to cutting-edge technology, the DD 150 is built to tackle massive workloads with ease and precision. Let's dig into what makes this bulldozer a standout in its class. The first thing that grabs your attention about the Develon DD 150 is its imposing presence. Built with a robust frame and reinforced steel components, this bulldozer is ready for the harshest environments. Its aggressive blade design allows for maximum earth-moving capacity, while the adjustable ripper at the rear ensures that even the most compacted surfaces are no match for its strength. The heavy-duty tracks provide excellent traction on loose soil, rocky terrain, and muddy surfaces, making it incredibly versatile on any job site. Step inside the operator's cabin, and you'll find a space designed for comfort and control. Develon has gone above and beyond to ensure operators can perform efficiently over long shifts. The cabin features ergonomic seating with advanced suspension to reduce fatigue during extended use. The controls are intuitive and strategically placed, allowing for seamless operation of the blade, ripper, and other functions. A large touchscreen display serves as the central command center, offering real-time data on performance, fuel efficiency, and terrain analysis. The cabin is also equipped with advanced sound insulation, keeping noise levels low and allowing operators to focus on the task at hand. The technology packed into the 2025 Develon DD 150 is truly next level. It comes equipped with GPS-guided grading systems that provide unparalleled accuracy, reducing the time and effort required to complete tasks. The bulldozer's advanced telematics system allows fleet managers to monitor and manage operations remotely, offering insights into fuel usage, maintenance schedules, and overall performance. This ensures that downtime is minimized and productivity stays at its peak. Under the hood, the DD 150 is powered by a state-of-the-art engine designed to deliver impressive power while meeting stringent emissions standards. This bulldozer doesn't just perform, it does so with efficiency in mind. The engine is paired with a smart hydraulic system that optimizes power delivery to the blade and ripper, allowing the machine to handle heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Whether you're clearing land, grading roads, or moving massive amounts of material, the DD 150 delivers consistent and reliable performance. In terms of price, the 2025 Develon DD 150 comes with a premium tag, reflecting its advanced capabilities and cutting-edge features. While exact figures may vary depending on specifications and regional factors, this bulldozer is an investment that pays off in productivity, durability, and efficiency. It's designed for contractors and construction companies that demand the best from their equipment and need machinery that can handle the toughest jobs day in and day out. This machine isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for the construction industry. With its blend of power, precision, and advanced technology, the 2025 Develon DD 150 Bulldozer is built to set new benchmarks for performance. Whether you're in the market for heavy machinery or simply appreciate innovative engineering, this bulldozer is one to watch. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Develon DD 150 Bulldozer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest in construction equipment. Let us know in the comments what you think of the DD 150 and what machines you'd like us to feature next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.